Figma To Webflow. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Figma website. Then, you can continue with Google or enter your email and password. Once you're inside the Figma dashboard, open your project. Go to the bottom corner and click Tools. Choose Plugins and Widgets. Then search plugin Figma to Webflow. A Webflow pop-up will appear. Click Next, then connect Figma with Webflow. Now on the Webflow login page, continue with Google or log in with your username and password. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. Fill in your first name and last name. You'll be asked some quick questions, just answer them. Then, you can select blank site and give your site a name. Go back to Figma and connect your Webflow again. Select the site you want to connect and click Authorize App. Once connected, close the tab and return to Figma. Click Get Started and choose the site you want to use. Select a layer in your Figma file and press Continue. Then click Copy and Continue in Webflow. Go to your Webflow page, paste it, and you can adjust it.